Hello and welcome to Linkmoney App. My name is Charles Joyner and I'm going to show you how to get started on Linkmoney App. So the first thing you're going to want to do is we're going to need to create an account and confirm the email address. So you're going to hit this button right here, Get Started with Linkmoney App. Once you do that, you'll be taken to a login screen. Since you don't have a login at this point, you're just getting started. We're going to click the Sign In with Google. And I'm going to choose what account I want to use. And now it says you are registering with Google, so you'll need to confirm that email address. So we're going to hit next. And now Linkmoney will send you an email to the address that you sign in with, so you can confirm it. You'll see it in your email here. We'll click that. Now we'll confirm the email address. Your email has been confirmed. And now we'll log into the system. Again, we'll go back to the Google sign in. Choose the email that we are signing in with. And now, since you don't have any accounts, it's your first time, you'll see this button, click to start. So we'll click that. And now you come to the first part of purchasing. Now here, we're going to need your sitemap, and typically almost every WordPress site out there, you'll be able to type in whatever site it is. You just type in at the end of it sitemap.xml, and depending on what plugin you use, if you use Yoast, it'll probably convert. So Yoast converts to a sitemap underscore index, and we'll take that whole link, Control A, Control C, and we'll put that sitemap right here. I have an article on sitemap right here if you're having trouble with that, but that's basically how to get a hold of your sitemap. And now Linkmoney basically charges on how many pages you have. You can see the plans here if you choose, but I'm going to scan this site right here and check price. It's going to look, and this site here is $100, and I'm going to buy it. Then you'll be taken to Stripe. Here, I'm going to fill it out, and I'll be right back. Okay, I filled out my information, my credit card information, and now I'm going to hit subscribe. And it's going to get done. And then you'll see if the card went through correctly and everything's fine, you'll get this right here. If not, you'll get a different message. So right now, Linkmoney is running what we call a baseline scan. And I have an article right here. What that is, but basically Linkmoney is going to scan your site real quick, and it's going to look for all the different store codes you have on your site. And I'll tell you why that's important in just a moment. So now we're going to go to the license control panel. We'll just click this button here, take it straight there. And here's your terms and conditions. We also recommend that you do a backup on your site like any plugin suggests. And if you've done that, I'm going to hit accept, and yes, and there. And now it's our first look at our license control panel. What's important about this is this screen here is here's your API key. Here's, of course, your sitemap that you used. You can also hit this button here to get all the information about the screen. But basically, the big things here is you're going to need your API key in a minute, and here's your license. And then we're going to put your main Amazon Associates store tag here. And it's usually up in the upper right-hand corner when you sign into Amazon Associates. It's the main code that's associated with your account. And I'll just put something here, my store tag -20. And this is going to be the store code that you want on every single link on your whole site, because this is going to change if you've got bad links and so forth. This is what it's going to fix it with right here. Whatever you put it, whatever store code you put here. And then I'm going to, now let me explain these. So the expand links is, if you're using AMZTO links, the short links for Amazon, if you click this, which I do, I want those links to expand because I want to check the store codes and the link errors in those short codes. And if you use TablePress, right, which I'm going to click there, and I do, this will also check all the store, any affiliate links in your tables. So I wanted to check that as well. So now I have my store tag here, and I've got I would always click these. If you can find a reason not to, that's fine. But and the cleanup links, basically, if you have these gigantically long Amazon affiliate links, it will shorten those down to perfect little Amazon links. And now I'm going to update license. Okay. And now I kind of want to show you I've created a site for testing that I'm going to use on here. It's a typical WordPress site. Just one moment here. Now I've got that site up, and basically let's take a look at this real quick. So here's tables. Now if you look at the very bottom, way down at the bottom there in the bottom left, if you highlight this button, it'll show you the link that it's going to. Down here you can see there's a short code being used. This table has short codes in it, right? So this first table, the second table just has links in it, very long links. You can see that one. Let me hide that right there. Let's see that. Very long links. When I say clean up links, we're going to make that one nice, clean, shorter link. We also have your typical looking Amazon affiliate type post with maybe the header has a link, the heading has a link, the picture has a link, the button has a link, and so forth. So if you look closely here, this is the store code is DIY share, right? And we're going to make all of these the same store code. So, and there's one thing we need to do first before that is I would like you to go to your dashboard. Now, we sent out a baseline scan, and what you would have received so far is and for his emails, you would have received welcome to Linkmoney App, download and activation details, which is this video, but it has all these links and that we're talking about here, how to get the plugin and all these kind of things. You might want to bookmark that page, but it's saying here your baseline scan is complete. And I kind of want to go quickly over why we run a baseline scan without changing anything first. So and if you click that button there, it'll go to your dashboard right where I was at. So here you want to look at certain things. This site has no tag. Three links have no tags. We got lots of different tags on our site. You can see, and we only want one. Or I'll go back to the license here. We have this area called reserve tags. And what you might have here is, let's say you have spring collection and summer collection. You have certain store tags, additional preferred Amazon store tags that you use, and you want to keep those. That's why I made this. So let's say in this example here, I want to keep my spring collection. Copy that. Basically, I'm going to open up a new tab here so it's easier. I'm going to add that spring collection. I want to keep my summer collection store tag so I don't lose it. And I want to keep my fall collection so I don't lose it. And my winter collection. Everything else on here, I either want every tag to say my store tag, or I wanted to say where I have these additional store tags, is preferred store tags for tracking. I want to keep those. So I'm going to update the license. Okay. So now I've got my license control panel set. The next thing we need to do is download the Linkmoney App plugin and activate it. To get to the Linkmoney App plugin, you could do it through your email. Here it says download the Linkmoney App plugin. You can also just go to the menu here and say setup. And then we're going to download the plugin. And this plugin installs like every other plugin. You're going to download, find it, and activate it. Now we'll go to the site and find it. So I'm going to go to my dashboard. First, we'll look at plugins. And yes, it's installed. And it's going to be, this picture here is kind of in the way, but it's going to be right here, Linkmoney App in Tools. And you're going to want to take your license key. Let's go back to license. Now I want to get this key here and put it in the plugin, so I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to go back here. I'm going to paste it in there. I'm going to save the changes. So now you're set up to run Linkmoney App. So we'll go back to the license here. Again, I like this store tag. Here's the ones I want to keep, right, from this dashboard. And so at the end of the day, at the end of this run, I want to have my store tag, and I want to change all these additional store tags that are all over my site into either my main store tag or the ones I have reserved, right? So I'm going to hit Run Scan. This will take me to the Linkmoney App plugin, and then I'm going to click Fix Affiliate Links. And then from here, you'll notice that the state of this button will change. There it is. So basically, this doesn't take very long, but it's about 60 seconds for every 100 pages. A good, fast, clean site will go faster than that. I think this one's going to take probably about 30 seconds, and then we'll come back. Okay, that scan took about 41 seconds, and you'll know when it's done because the button will return. So now, let's go to our Linkmoney dashboard and take a look. So I'm going to go to my dashboard here, and I'm going to get that scan I just did because that was the baseline. And here's the most current scan. And now it's telling me my store tag is the main tag on the site. And we can check that by going to the Linkmoney site. Let's take a look here. So I remember, so we showed you the tables. Again, if you look at the bottom down there, you see a nice clean store tag. It's not long anymore, and it's got my store tag -20 on it. This was an AMZTO link right here that's now been expanded and cleaned up, and it's got my store tag on it. These were all short links, are now a nice, clean, checked, perfect link. Same down here, it did it everywhere. It changed them over, and so I go back to that product link here and look here. These are now my store tag -20. They're no longer the different store tags we saw before. They're all perfectly. So it changed over everything to the right store tag. And then now the detailed report here, what that does is it will show you that everything that we changed. So this short link is now my store tag -20. So if we want to look at all the short links that changed, you see it changed them all to nice clean links. So you can collect the look at these and see what it changed. Now what I'd recommend, now there's also what we call warnings, and there's different kinds of warnings. Like for instance, if I look here, I have articles on this, and I'll put these in the description below. But these are things that warnings that we found, and we found this particular one all the time. For instance, you have an affiliate link on this page here that's going to a WordPress admin. We've seen them go to WordPress admins. We've seen them go to users, all different kinds of things. But this is simply warning you that you have an affiliate link that's going to somewhere strange. And then we also have like JavaScript. We could not fix this link because we don't know what it is. Again, these are real links that I've pulled from real sites. And so it's telling you it's on this page and you need to replace this link because we don't know what it is. It's a Java error. We also have multiple tags. Sometimes the tags will get listed twice on these for some reason. It's usually a plugin error or something like this. Non-product, again, I have articles on each one of these, so please take a look. If you notice, there's searches, right? Searches are like, instead of going directly to a product, it might go to a search for shoes, which is fine. And we fix those links for you as well, and we put the right tag on it. So kind of look through these pills and see what's been changed. But what I'd recommend first, so you just did a baseline scan and you've done a fix scan, but I would recommend doing one more. Let's go to license. Let's do this one more time and I'll show you why. I'm going to run a scan. I'm going to click the fix affiliate links and then it's going to take off, and I'm not going to make you wait the 40 seconds, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Real quick, whenever a scan is done, Linkmoney will email you. So you'll get these emails. So for instance, if you've got 1,000 pages, it might take, minutes, 5-6 minutes or more to make that scan. So you can run it, forget about it, and then when it's done, it will email you, and then you just go there and take a look at it. So we'll go back to our dashboard, and we just did a new scan. Here's the new scan right here. And if you notice now, right, the reason we do this second scan is because now this is everything Linkmoney found on the site. It found my store tag on everything but fall collection, spring collection, summer collection, and winter collection. Now the site is perfectly clean, right? It no longer looks like this, right? It now looks like this on every single link. And the detailed report shows it changed nothing because it's clean. It didn't change anything. Product links this is every, again, I have articles on these. This is every product linked on your site. And of course, they're either my store tag or their spring collection, summer collection, and so forth. Let's see here, fall collection. I just want to see the winter collections. So that is your basic reports. Again, I'm going to put these in the description so you can go look at these things. But that is how to get started on Linkmoney app. I look for feedback. If you have questions, place it in the video. I'll answer questions, and if I need to redo the video, I will. But as you can see, it's very easy and it's very powerful. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching this, and go fix your affiliate links.